guys, Jake's under pressure power washing. One of my machines went down the other day. Figured it was probably a ground problem on the Honda GX690. We had no power to the key. Of course, we checked the fuse. What I done before was I pulled this out because these fuses will pop behind here and they are a nightmare to get out. So I just went ahead and put a little pigtail, dropped the fuse down, and I drop it inside the battery box. So went ahead and changed that fuse twice. It kept popping it, so I knew I had a ground issue going on somewhere. So what I done was I pulled it all apart, looked behind the box, light out here, and this green connector right there, this harness plugs into this other harness back in here. So I got to pulling it out and I got to looking, and that yellow and black wire right there is, let's see if I can get it, was arcing on the frame. It wasn't taped up good, I guess from the years of running up and down the road on a trailer. It just wore it out, and that was the problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and splice that, cut it, tap in, and get that all straight and fire back up. So as you can see, it kind of burning a little bit right there, but that was the problem on the grounding on the GX690. Like I said, save yourself a little time, put your little pigtail with that inline, because it is back up in this box here, tucked away, and it's pretty hard to get out, especially if you're on a job site and you want to get it done pretty quick. If it pops a fuse, you can drop it out, put a little pigtail, little inline fuse in it, drop it down, make your life a whole lot easier. So if you got any questions on it, check us out on the website or let me know. Alright, I've spliced the wire, put that connector in there, we'll tape it all up. Took out the bad piece, which was, sorry, that little piece right there. It's hard to see it. There it is. It was arcing on the base plate of the machine down there because those wires were exposed. So I went ahead and put that splice on it. We'll tape it all back up. Let me check it and see. I got the new fuse in. And let's see here. That's it. So that was the problem. That machine was down a whole day on the job because couldn't trace the problem out till I got it back in the shop. So just a little fix there. If you're having that problem and you replace that fuse right there and keeps blowing it, you got a bad ground in there somewhere. So hope this helps everybody. You have a great day.